of a good, high-quality encyclopedia, thinking about, well, how do we sustain this? How do we, make this work? Putting it into a nonprofit and asking for donations seemed like the reasonable way to go. When people ask, why don't we have advertising in Wikipedia? So there's a lot of sort of very practical reasons, but one of the reasons is when you're at Wikipedia, I want your experience to be, it's a place of quiet reflection, of learning, of thinking. From the Wikimedia Foundation, I don't take a salary, and I also don't even take expenses. I think it's very important that I'm able to say quite clearly, look, when I'm asking you for money, I'm not asking you for money for myself. I'm asking you for money for the foundation, which is the team who supports this amazing community that I'm a part of.